In this video, I'll show you how to stream Netflix on Discord without a black screen. If Discord shows a black screen when you try to stream Netflix, the most common fix is to turn off hardware acceleration. Discord's official troubleshooting guide says you can disable hardware acceleration in Discord if screen share is having problems, and it also recommends lowering stream quality if needed. Start by opening Discord on your computer. Click the gear icon to open user settings, then go to voice and video. Find the hardware acceleration option and turn it off. After that, fully restart Discord so the change takes effect. Discord's support guide specifically lists disabling hardware acceleration as a step for fixing screen sharing issues. Next, open the browser you use for Netflix and turn off hardware acceleration there too. In Chrome or Edge, open the browser settings, go to System, and turn off Use Hardware Acceleration when available, then relaunch the browser. Microsoft's documentation points users to Chrome://settings/system for Chrome and Edge://settings/system for Edge to manage that setting. If you use Firefox, the setting is a little different. Mozilla's official support page says you go to Settings, then under Performance uncheck Use, recommended performance settings if needed, and then turn off hardware acceleration. Mozilla also says restarting Firefox after changing it can help with video playback and graphics issues. Once both Discord and your browser are restarted, open Netflix again in a normal window, not full screen. Then go back to Discord, start a screen share, and select the browser window itself instead of sharing your entire display. In many cases, sharing the specific app window works better than sharing the whole screen, especially for video playback. If the stream still has issues, Discord also recommends lowering the stream resolution and frame rate. A few extra things can also help. Make sure Discord is updated, your browser is updated, and your graphics drivers are current. Discord's troubleshooting guide also says screen sharing needs a stable internet connection. So if your stream is laggy or unstable, try reducing quality settings or using a stronger connection. One important reminder: make sure you follow Netflix's terms and only share content in ways you're allowed to. The technical fix here is mainly about resolving the black screen issue caused by browser and Discord video settings. So the simple fix is this: turn off hardware acceleration in Discord, turn it off in your browser, restart both apps, and then share the Netflix browser window instead of the full screen. That usually fixes the black screen and lets your stream show properly. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.